had to turn it all out.
You gotta work yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want the whole story?
What's the deal on?
So my amps are 30 volts down from max per amp. I'm 2 clicks down from max on my radio, and that's only 8.5. So that's I still got the 10.
That's how you keep from blowing your tools, right?
I've only had this up since Thursday, bro.
I'm gonna say.
I'm scared.
Okay, now don't do that. Don't do that, dude.
I'm scared. I ain't turning. My buddy said, do not turn this stuff up.
You lost one of them finals one time, didn't you?
Lost the amp and the sub, that's fine.
But you know, you get there, you take it all the way though. Yeah.
I don't. Eventually, I might.
You know, you get the finals. You know, you gotta go with a gun.
I'm not going to finals this year.
You gonna mess with it. Demo only.
Demo.
That's where it's at, though, man. You don't have to worry about spending all that money going to the lanes and
30 versus 75. Yeah. I'm not saying it's not worth $75.
Yeah.
But I'd rather pay the 30 and have fun, get people like y'all in here.
Yeah.
Like
keep it going. Yeah, do it. You know, get it around.
Yeah. Like I blew Monday night. I blew an amp. Tuesday I put a new amp in. Blew another amp. Tuesday night.
So this is new stuff in here.
Some new stuff.
What's that show you want?
What's that?
You want to wrestle?
Man, I would love to get back around.
That's what I'm waiting.
Let's stop everybody. Let's stop at your house through the night.
Yeah, you gonna stop. You gonna have to stop. This is a long ride, man. Y'all mentioned the phone, Rambo Bass. Yeah, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.